Are you ready to go behind the scenes of America's top mixed martial arts training center and find out how everyone, from normal everyday people to professional fighters, are being transformed into amazing athletes while learning real fighting skills? Watch this video and discover how to get a free DVD along with a free 30-day trial of all our great programs. But first, let's talk about all the things you won't find at our academy. You won't find a karate or traditional martial arts school that claims to teach UFC to make an extra buck. We respect every style of martial arts enough to understand that it takes years of training to truly master and teach any martial arts style. Here, you're going to learn mixed martial arts and all its pieces, from jiu-jitsu to kickboxing to wrestling and more. Because we focus on these specific styles, you are going to be learning what works so you won't have to waste time filtering through a lot of mumbo-jumbo and flashy movie martial arts. You're also not going to find a fight club atmosphere. We teach everyone, from the soccer mom who has no interest in competition to the future UFC champion. We teach children of all ages in our world-class kids program. You are going to train in an organized system where you can learn and progress at your own pace. No experience necessary, and you don't have to be in shape to get started. We can get you in shape and teach you real fighting skills, and our kids learn self-respect, increase their self-confidence, get better grades, learn how to defeat bullies, and so much more. But don't take my word for it. Register now and see the difference yourself. You have the opportunity to test drive our programs for free for 30 full days. It's no obligation, and you don't have to pay a nickel. You can come in and try out our jiu-jitsu, kickboxing, MMA, or any other program of your choice for free. You're going to get to meet our expert instructors face-to-face, get a first-hand look at our facility, and experience just how fun and how beneficial our program can be. If after you try it out, you decide it's not for you, we just shake hands and part as friends. Zero risk. As a bonus, just for filling out the form below, you're going to get a free video that will reveal a few of the martial arts techniques and concepts that we figured out over the years. To get started, call New Breed Mixed Martial Arts at 562-246-1234 or just fill out the form below.